Welcome back to SOL Training. Let's jump straight into claiming specials. While there are a few different types of promotions, they mostly boil down to two different kinds. The first one is discounted specials. As it says on the tin, these are straight discounts that are applied to your card without any further action needed to be done by you. As you can see here, the 50% has already been applied. Just a quick note on these types. If you have contract pricing with Schein, the system will automatically find which deal is better and give you that one. The second type is buy a certain amount, get some for free. Sometimes these will automatically fill in on the promotions page, but in this case, we'll need to claim our bonus. Please note that you may be given multiple options to take from, but can only claim a certain amount. Check on the total allowed versus total taken to see how many more you can claim. Last thing to note is that this promotions claim area sits at the bottom of the cart review page. Please do not miss out on this part when you are scrolling through a big order. We wouldn't want you to miss out on your special products.